With the Air 10 IPL hair removal device, you can visually see the hair growth reduction, you guys, in less than 2 weeks. Now that summer's here, it's no need for me to go to any spa place to get laser hair removal. I've been saving so much money using this wonderful device right here. And I found out about it from Kim Kardashian. I cannot believe that this is what she uses. Everybody, no matter if you're a millionaire, a billionaire, a trillionaire, you want to figure out how to save money. So now I bet you guys want to know what is IPL and how does it work to remove the hair off your body. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, you guys. So it's basically a light that will heat in your skin and prevent the hair from growing back, targeting damage the hair follicle, unfortunately, and inhibits the future hair from growing in that area. So this is really unique. I think it's nothing like this on the market right now. This Painless. Yeah. So I'm looking at this, so well packaged, you guys. Is embossed with the name on it, and it's an IPL hair removal device. The only downside about this, you do need to stay indoors away from the sun as much as possible for at least 3 days. So when I use this, I like to use it around the bikini areas or underneath the arm, but I am doing research if I can actually use it on top of my lip. You know how you just get that hair on your face and it's unwanted hair? I am not in the medical field whatsoever, so the information I'm telling you, don't take it straight to the heart. This is just a product review of using this wonderful device. I just want to make that noticeable. And if you do have this device at home and you're watching this video because you want to watch it together and use the device together, please read the instructions very carefully. It says if you have sunburn damage, any weird irritation to the skin, or if you have like some kind of skin issues or health issues, this might not be for you. Oh, and if you're pregnant, it's not for you. Okay? Don't try it. Don't try it. Just don't do it. I like that they put this plastic on it to guarantee that nobody has used it and it's protected. This box has great texture to it and it's a well thought out design. I really love this packaging. It's very high end. IPL hair removal device. Finally got my hands on one. The cover just slides right off. And then you got the device. Wow. Very luxurious. Look at the detail. Look at the quality, you guys. Wow. This is beautiful. All the information you need right there. The packaging is done so lovely. And there is the device. And yes, she is purple. It's fairly lightweight. It's not too heavy. It has the logo on it on the side. It has a fan on the back. And it has a couple buttons on the side as well to push as you activate it. It does come with its own bag. That's definitely luxury. See, fits in there very nicely, and it has the logo on it as well. This goes into here. See? And then this is just a Velcro you just undo. And this piece right here is just going to go into there like that. FDA approval. This device has multiple different levels, you guys, of intense, like different levels, you know. Chart, it says that, you know, you can handle it, but more likely the machine will kind of like elevate to what level it thinks it needs to go at when it targets the area on the body as well. Okay, enough chitty chat. First thing, you guys, get that razor blade that they give you, that small little blade, yes, that blade, and shave only the areas that you're going to be using this device on. If you waxed or tweezed, that's not a good idea because this device might not work. It has to go all the way down to the hair follicles. Even if you shaved yesterday, it can still work, but make for sure you only shave. Don't use no near, don't use no tweezing, don't use no waxing. All right, this plugs in there like that, and that's the noise that it makes. That's the cooling machine, and it's cooling off. Just want to show you guys the buttons. All right, some people, I mean, I didn't do this, but it is a good thing to do if you're very scared or you're kind of sensitive or you just don't know this is for you. If you did get it, you know you can always return it too. So they have a really good return policy. Amazon findings, hello. Amazon definitely supports you with great return policy, everything like that. But enough of Amazon. Do a little part test in a small area of your skin, like under your wrist, on your arm. Just do a small little area, make sure it's clean with no grease, no Vaseline, no nothing on it, ladies. And make sure it's a super dried area, and then go ahead and apply this machine and see how you feel and how you like it before you do your whole leg or something major. You know, I didn't test it because I'm risky. And I got it professionally done in a salon before, so I know what is protocol for it. But because the color of my beautiful skin, this device, I don't know if it's gonna work to that high level. So I'm probably going to do like the whole body, probably around the winter time, because right now my body is so unevenly toned, it's like ridiculous. But I cannot wait to do the bottom partial of my legs and my toes, because my toes be growing some hair, and who wants hair on their toes? I know I don't. The good thing about this device, you guys, it has a skin censoring. So even between the different modes that the device has, it also like has a sin sensor, like, and then it could detect like what level to be at that area. So if you have gray hair or lighter blonde hair or something like that, it might not go and detect it as well. It's like, it works for you automatically. So all you have to do is just really make for sure your skin and everything is super clean with no oils, no extra lotion, no residue. You know, make sure it's just rub-a-dub-dub, smelling good and fresh and clean and properly dried on very nice dry skin. And then that's when you can apply this wonderful device that's going to remove that hair for life. Wonderful device that's going to remove your hair for life. Wow, I better keep it away from my my hair, my head, you know what I'm saying? It has a sensor, you guys, that can adjust the right level according to your skin color. Just to clarify everything, because I'm just so excited about this device. This is the only pain-free device that I've tried that actually works. So I just want to clarify, I'm taking a couple steps back. I didn't really tell you guys that it had 4 different modems, which is fast, normal, high, and SHR, you know? So it does have like 4. To the previous model, like they have like a lot of different generations, it only gave you like 3 and then 2. So this one is great that it has the 4. So you can like really see fast results if you're ready to jump it all the way to the 4. Definitely do that test spot like I said before. And ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait till you guys use this device. You're going to save money, you're going to save time, you're going to save energy, and just go for it. Why not? Make for sure you use that discount code down there in my bio. You know, it'll give me a link. Yes, I do make a little small commission off of this, and this is affiliated because I like to be affiliated with wonderful, good, positive companies like this that represent great objects. That is FDA approval, not no ghetto hood stuff. This is the real deal, and it's very exclusive, so you better get it now before it sells out, because I got my hands on it, and you may not get one, but at least you can try by using my link. Use the discount code. Leave a comment if you guys did get it and your results were like magical. I need to know. Did you shave a day before, or did you shave shave right when you use the machine? I just want to know. And then if you found another machine that's better than this machine, what's up? Let me know. Leave the comments down below, and I will see you beautiful, 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 stunning, extravagant, motivated, positive folks on my next video, okay? Check it out.